Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Flip 7. Today's episode is going to be slightly different, and it's mainly because we are having some technical difficulties. The great and exciting thing about starting something new is sometimes you hit snags. I had a really good idea to do something today that I thought would be really cool, and it actually worked out really well inside of our Facebook group, which was for me to do the show live. So you could actually watch it in person. A lot of people did. We actually had some Q&A back and forth. I showed some cool stuff we did on a F-150 today, told you about my day. The problem is when I port it over from my phone, so you can click save on the video, it saves it on my phone, then I upload the video from my phone to the computer. Somewhere in between the Wi-Fi, the phone, the sound, I look like a Japanese movie that's been translated to English. You know, you have the voices talking and the lips don't match up. So we didn't do this on purpose to get you to go to the Facebook group, but we're going to have the actual Daily Flip video inside of the Facebook group. So there's going to be a link below. You can be a part of that group. It's absolutely free. It's going to be way too much work for me to reshoot it. It's dark outside right now, as you can see, so the lighting would be horrible. I've got to be somewhere. You'll see where inside the video. I've got to be somewhere tonight. So it's just not going to happen to film another one. So this is going to be the equivalent of our daily flip today. If this is the only one you can watch, we got 2 cars ready. We sewed a seat together. There'll be a separate video posted of that, so you can watch that later. There's some cool interaction inside the group. Be aware of that coming here on YouTube. We'll do some live stuff here. But my problem was here, if you actually go to the Facebook group and you follow the link, you're gonna get to, this is me, let's see if I can minimize that, inside of the car flip group. You'll scroll down till you see this guy talking, and then it'll be me. You'll click for sound. It's gonna work. There we go. What I'd love to do in the future is be able to do, for whatever reason inside the Facebook group, we do not lose the audio, but you'll be able to follow along with all the folks that were commenting. We've got 12 comments so far, 57 people here in the last 54 minutes have watched it, so you can definitely go here. The whole daily flip is available on the group portion. If you have trouble getting there, let me know. We'll get you another link sent out. I suppose we could do that. But the link that you click down below is going to take you right there. You'll click that link. It's going to take you. You'll put in your email, and then you'll click join, and then you're going to get sent straight to this page. You click join. You can be a part of that group. It's absolutely free. So when I do videos like this in the future that are actually live, you can be there asking questions, actually interacting as we film these daily flips. So sorry for the technical glitch. I'm gonna get this posted up right now, and then you can get over to the group and watch the actual daily flip. There'll be a part where I mentioned that we're gonna cut in some video for the seat. That's not gonna happen there because I was supposed to be cutting that in for it to be here on YouTube. So just keeping it real here. Things happen, technology fails. It's probably more of a user error on my part, but it just happened how it happened today. So definitely go watch that on the Facebook page. Hope to see you there. If you have any questions over there, let me know. If you have any questions down below, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you over on Facebook. Click the link below and it'll take you right over there. You guys have a good one.